The final system of organization that we'll consider is using the 5E method. If you're unfamiliar with the 5E method, it's a system of learning whereas the responsibility for discovering knowledge is put on the shoulders of the student and the teacher becomes the person that is guiding them through that learning, but really learning alongside them at the same time. Sometimes you don't even know what conclusions you will come to until you've done your discovery as a class. If you're already using the 5E method in your methodology in your classroom, it makes total sense that you'd organize your modules in the same way. You can see here that we've used the unit title as the module title, much like we did when we organized our modules by unit. But then after that, it goes into a totally different format. Here, instead of using section headers, we're using our 5E words: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. What's great about this is that it shows the students what that process is that they'll be going through as they discover new knowledge. And as I said, if this is already a system that you're using, it makes total sense that you would continue that process online to organize your materials. Cheers.